Typically, the voltage used in Asian countries is 220 to 240 volts. Which is the voltage supplied to common household appliances, including air conditioners. However, if the voltage becomes unstable, whether it be low or high due to a brownout or power surge, it may cause your appliances to malfunction or result in damage to your appliances. This would eventually be burdensome for customers in terms of repairing the damage or buying new ones. In order to mitigate customer concerns accordingly, Daikin has developed the printed circuit board, or PCB, in the new air conditioner that can withstand high voltages and low voltages, known as low-high voltage shield. To ensure the new air conditioner can withstand high voltages and low voltages, we provide voltage withstand testing at Daikin Research and Development Center. Initially, outdoor and indoor units were installed, followed by variable power supplies. The process was begun by releasing the voltage at 220 volts, which is the actual voltage. And then the voltage was reduced to 130 volts. Though the voltage was reduced to 130 volts, the cooling system still consistently kept running. When the voltage was lowered to 130 volts, the air conditioning system switched itself off. When the voltage was adjusted back to its original value, the air conditioning system automatically started running again. After that, we started testing by releasing the voltage at 220 volts, which is the actual voltage, and adjusted it to 264 volts. Although the voltage was adjusted as high as 264 volts, the cooling system still consistently kept running. When the voltage was adjusted higher than 264 volts, the air conditioning system switched itself off. However, the voltage that is likely to disable the system is dependent upon surrounding factors at that moment. Additionally, we tested by adjusting the voltage to 440 volts, which is 2 times higher than the actual voltage in order to test the durability. Then we adjusted it back to 220 volts to prove whether the system would still be running properly. After the voltage was adjusted back to 220 volts, the air conditioner still ran properly without damaging the internal parts. According to durability testing, it is clear that the new air conditioner can withstand high voltages and low voltages. So you will become worry-free and not have to shoulder additional costs from the damage caused by a brownout or power surge. Not only will Daikin Air Conditioner cool your body, but also give you peace of mind, because Daikin Air Conditioner will be here with you throughout its lifetime.